Had this workbench for quite a while. I've always liked it. This is 4 feet by 4 feet, and most of the time I end up working on one side, and then I find that the other side is always piled with stuff. Most of the time I end up not even using it. It's a flat surface to set stuff. And so what I've decided I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this down. I'm not really going to lose much surface area, a little bit, but not much, but I'm just going to change the dimension of it. So right now it's 4 by 4. I marked a line here where I'm going to cut it. It's got 2 by 4 frames all the way around. It's got one beam that comes through here, and then it's got 2 that branch off right here in the middle. So I'm going to cut it off here. So it's going to end up being 2 feet by 4 feet. And then I have this from an old desk. It's laminated, looks like MDF, then hardwood in the middle, and then MDF on the other. It's really heavy. Once I cut this down, I'm going to mount this on, and this is 30 inches wide and 6 feet long, and that's going to be my new workbench. And then I'm going to turn it so it's going this way, and that's going to give me more room. I have extra room this way, but it takes up too much room this way, so this is going to work out perfect. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these legs off, these 2 here, cut them down, mount them on here, and then I will cut this off. Okay, so this leg here I've chosen to put over on this corner because it has the outlet. Then I'll have an outlet on this corner and then on the other kitty corner. So I just have to figure out, do I want it? I think I want it to go wire inside, and then I want it to go in there. So this will all be gone, so then the outlet will be on the outside. So I need to clamp these in. Okay, so I want to make sure that the leg is level. Okay. Okay, I've set my saw depth so that it's just a little bit deeper than the thickness of this. And now I'm just going to cut this along here. Okay, so now I've marked these at 2 inches on both of them. So now I just need to cut those off. Alright, so I got it all cut down, got the legs attached. I added the 2 bolts on here on each side. So now this thing's really heavy. So now I'm going to set this on there, and then I just need to line it up. And that'll be about it for this. Let's see, how am I going to lift this? So this will be my new work surface. Alright, so I have these L brackets. I think what I'm going to do is on each end I'm going to put one underneath on this side and then another one there, and do the same down there. And that should be enough to hold this on there. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.